Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a palette review from the LA Girl Wonder and Lust palette. Last weekend I was with Molly and we were doing a little birthday shopping for my birthday, which was Thursday. And while we were there, I was just looking for some new nice drugstore stuff to test out because who doesn't like cheap makeup? And I come across these two LA Girl palettes. And I was like, I'm always attracted to nudes, but I was really attracted to the color story of this because you had your pinks at the top and then you had your blue shades and one little gold at the bottom. And I really liked how it looked. The swatches, they had some on display. I was able to swatch them and they looked really nice. So for 10 bucks, I thought I would bring them home and try them out for you guys. So what I want to do today is I want to get into some live swatches just to see how they perform. And then following the live swatches, I plan on doing a tutorial. But yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so now for the live swatches, I want to start with the Wonder and Lust palette. And this is what it looks like. And I think we're gonna go ahead and start over here and go down that way. Start with this shade. Do we have names? We just have numbers. So this is shade number 1. It is really pretty. Let's see what wetting it does. I mean, like shimmers are shimmers. But let's see if we can make it a little more metallic-y. That is I mean, that's really pretty, just like a light champagne shade. Definitely a lot of kickback when you get into that one, so I would be mindful of that. All right, so now we're gonna go in with this shade, and this is number 2. Okay, so this is pretty. It looks a lot different than what you see in the pan. In the pan, it looks more just like a weird pinky gray toned. I don't know. But on the eye, it looks more like kind of like a sienna brown. I don't know, but it definitely doesn't look like that. Yeah, it looks like a really dark, really gray tone pink, and it definitely doesn't look like that on the lid, but this is pretty. Now we're gonna go in with this dark pink shimmer, and this is number 3. Instead of calling these shimmers, I think I would consider them to be more satins. They're not super sparkly or anything like those shimmers are, so I definitely say they're satins, but this is a pretty little pink. Now we're gonna go in even brighter with number 4 right here. Just be really, really soft with this palette, and you shouldn't have to worry too much about kickback. Just make sure that you have a really light hand when going in and getting it. This one was a little harder to build up, but it matches my scrunchie. But once you do get it built up on there, it does look really pretty. I do like this light pink. No, I like these. I like how these are going on. I mean, they're not the most pigmented things. So if you're doing like artistry makeup, I don't think you're gonna like these very much, but so far, I think these are really nice for soft, everyday looks. And I am cleaning, I mean, I'm using the same brush, but I am cleaning it off in a little color change and making sure that there is no color on it before I go into the next shadow. Now we're gonna go into this a little more shimmery, kind of like a coral shade. And this is number 5. Ooh. She's pigmented. This is pretty. This is kind of unique. Like, it's almost more like red. This is kind of fiery. I like it. Now we're gonna go into the matte next to it. This darker red orange. That is number 6, and we'll do that one over here. Ooh. Okay. Again, I'm not being like You can see it's all over the place. These are just live swatches. So I'm just packing it on my eyes to see so we can see how they're doing. And this is really similar. It's just a little bit darker than number 5. It's just a matte version. So this might be good to just like darken up the shade. I'm so excited to get onto these blues though. They're so pretty. I don't know. I feel like you don't see pinks and blues together in a palette. I thought this was really unique. I'm so excited to try these. This may be what we do this tutorial on. So number 7 is a lighter gold. It's a satin with some kind of cool green undertones, I guess you would say. I don't know. It's always more telling on the lid anyway. This is really pretty. I think it is more like a cool toned down gold, but I think it's really nice. It's not super loud. It's really good for blue eyes. They always bring golds and oranges always bring blue eyes out. Now for number 8. This one's so pretty. I'm excited to try this. This icy blue. Oh, these do go down way better with fingers. Let's try over on this side. I don't know why I didn't think of doing fingers before, especially with shimmers. I always do. Even when I'm doing regular looks, I usually go in with the shimmers for my lid with my finger. This is really pretty. I don't think that this would be a good lid shade. This would probably be good if you're doing like a blue-green look. As like an inner corner shade. I think this kind of, I don't know, just like washes some with my skin tone out. Maybe a little too light. But it is pretty. It's pigmented. It goes on well. We'll see. Now for number 9. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. Lots of fallout though. I'm noticing that with these shadows, lots and lots of fallout. If you do get this palette, make sure you do your eyes first because you're gonna have like light green all up under your eye makeup. Next shade. This is the matte blue aqua color. It's like blue with it's a medium blue that's green toned. This one right here, number 10. Again, I'm just smearing this all around. I think an eye primer or some concealer under these shadows would really help. I don't know. I think this one's kind of lackluster. I don't know, it's just not too much of anything. It's not really that pigmented, if you can see. I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. Now for our last 2, number 11, this dark satin blue. I don't know how to feel about these because I'm swatching them and they look pretty, but putting them on the eyes, they look lackluster. There's that blue. And for the last one, number 12, this is kind of this icy blue shade, really light with almost like some purple, like a light purple tint. They're like periwinkle, maybe? Let's see how this one does. Oh, just really powdery. Yeah, this is not. These aren't. I think this is a fail. I don't know, it almost makes me not want to try and do a tutorial on this palette because these shadows kind of suck. I had planned on, after doing my live swatches, doing a tutorial with the LA Girl Wonder and Lust palette. I was really hoping it would be better than this. But after doing my live swatches on my eyes, I think I'm just gonna return it. I think this was a major fail. These shadows look really, really pretty in the palette, and that's what attracted me to this palette. But after trying them on my eyes, they're powdery, really chalky, they're lackluster. And even though this is only $10, it's just there are better eyeshadow palettes out there. You can get a ColourPop eyeshadow palette for 12 bucks. So this definitely isn't worth it. I'm sorry, LA girl. Following that, you probably now realize why I do not have any eyeshadow on at all. Because I could not put these back on my face. I just could not make it look good. After those live swatches on my eyes, I was super, super disappointed. And then after I did that, I went off camera and tried to use them with an eye primer. And they looked a little better, but they still weren't where they needed to be. So I think I'm gonna make a run to Target and Ulta, and I'm pretty sure that I'm just going to return this. Yeah, it was kind of a fail, but hey, now you know, don't buy this crap. As sad as that is to say. Sorry, LA girl, you're not even watching this, but still, sorry. There are better palettes out there for the same amount. I mean, ColourPop has $12 palettes. Their eyeshadow quality is way better than this. Yeah, so today was definitely a fail, but now we know. So thank you very much for taking the time to come and watch me today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried this and what your thoughts were. If you got it to work for you, I'd love to hear about it. But yeah, expect a review on The Nudist coming soon. Hopefully, within the next couple days. I'll get started on that ASAP. So I'll let you know about that one. But thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.